Nyní bych ale předal již slovo konkrétnímu zástupci trhu, paní Aleně Menshykavě, která za české družstvo Privateum Global vystoupí s prezentací, která bude shrnovat nový model, který má nařízení MiCA v tuzemsku umožnit.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alena Menshykava. I'm CEO of Privateum Global, and you'll have to bear with me with my American English for the next 30 minutes. And if you prefer not to, you have the option of listening to this presentation in Czech language with the headphones. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you to the future of finance. But before I start, I want to ask you all a simple question. Where do you think we are today? Well, obviously we are in Czech Republic. We are in a beautiful city of Prague. We are in this amazing Chamber of Deputies of Czech Parliament, and we're thrilled and excited to be here today. And of course, we want to thank you all for coming here, and we want to thank all of those who watch us online and share this moment with us. But this is not everything. Today, we also stand at the beginning of a journey. An exciting journey that knows no borders, a journey that redefines how we work with finances, a journey that reestablishes trust and empowers people, ordinary people like yourself, myself, like never before. I'm thrilled to introduce you to Privateum Global today. But before I start, let's take a second to think about money, about the evolution of money, how it all began back in the old days and where we are today. So to help you picture this, let me run this short video for you.
In the beginning, there was barter. Humans traded goods for what they needed. Then came coins and paper money, shaping economies and trade. Now money has evolved again. Digital currencies and online transactions have revolutionized the way we exchange value. From ancient barter to digital wallets, the evolution of money continues to change the world. What's next in the evolution of money?
So basically from barters
tomorrow's
to
economy.
Coins, from paper currencies to digital transactions, money has continually evolved. There have always been limitations in those iterations. Limitations with inclusivity, transparency, accessibility. Today, we have revolutionary technology. We have blockchain, and it solves a lot of those limitations that traditional finance has, which prevent traditional finance from reaching its full potential. So those well-known problems of centralization, where the decision and the power is concentrated in the hands of the few, high transaction fees, slower settlement times, and of course the security concerns with the traditional finance being a single point of failure, it's prone to security hacks and scams and attacks. So naturally, crypto blockchain removes those limitations. And obviously, crypto market is showing exceptional growth. It has been growing through pandemic, it has been growing through crisis, and it is projected to grow even more. From 2017 to up today, the market has been growing at an exceptional 175% rate. But remarkably, the global adoption of crypto stays at under 7% rate. So what makes now is the best time to act? We've heard from our previous speakers, and you're all very familiar with MiCA regulation that is actively being discussed, that is actively being developed, and is going to be adopted very soon. And MiCA, again, you all know, but for those who are less familiar, solves a lot of regulatory problems around management of crypto assets. It introduces a very uniform regulatory framework in the European Union. It establishes very robust security requirements. It creates a lot of protection and transparency for investors in crypto projects. And if you're an investor and if you were not comfortable investing into crypto beforehand, now is the best time to do so. But obviously, MiCA addresses one major area of crypto problems, the regulation. It is huge. But we all know there are still ongoing problems that stand in the way of faster and deeper adoption of crypto assets. Those are the problems of ongoing security concerns. We all know there have been a lot of cases of scams and hacks and attacks, and people are losing huge amounts of their crypto assets today. There is another problem in the way of deeper and faster crypto adoption. It's a steep learning curve. We all know that for those who are less tech savvy, it's quite challenging to understand how to manage crypto assets, understanding how digital wallets work, understanding how to manage private keys, what the private keys even are, blockchain terminology. There's a lot to be concerned about. And of course, all of those questions, together with great market volatility, lead to negative associations around crypto market. And it's no wonder, for many, it still feels like a Spanish village. And we checked the current level of crypto adoption rate in Czech Republic. It's relatively low. It stays at around 13% today. Let me run another short video for you to introduce.
In the vast universe of finance, trust orbits around privacy and legal protection. Ambiguous laws leave assets drifting in uncertainty. The blockchain held the promise of freedom, a revolution that would shift the power from a few to many. It almost succeeded. Almost. The truth is that the crypto cosmos is turbulent, filled with high fees, slow transactions, and privacy black holes. And it's not truly in the hands of the people. Now, it's time for a new beginning, for a stellar solution. Introducing Privateum Global, a secure, global financial cooperative platform, 100% owned by its members. Freedom is not just a promise, but a reality. As soon as you join it, Privateum becomes yours. Join us on this cosmic journey to reshape the future.
All right, so we come to Privateum. What Privateum is? Privateum Global is a platform that unifies and bridges the worlds of traditional finance and decentralized finance. There are a lot of players in the market today in crypto services. Some of them offer to securely buy crypto, exchange crypto, pay with crypto. There are ATMs, terminals, POSs. There are a lot of offerings in the market today. So how Privateum is different? Privateum takes the best from the major players in the market and unifies it all in a one-of-a-kind single platform. So basically, Privateum is an ecosystem of integrated products or core components. I'll walk you through each of them. So first, a multi-currency wallet, a Privateum wallet. It's not a simply decentralized wallet. It's more of a hybrid banking application where members, users can securely and easily store both traditional currencies and crypto assets, as well as commodities like valuables, gold coins. Second component of the ecosystem is an integrated marketplace where members of the Privateum Global can easily and seamlessly spend their assets any asset they own and store in Privateum wallet for the goods and products and services that are available in the marketplace. Moreover, any Privateum member can become a seller, quite easy process, and join the global marketplace. Third, on the second component, a very important thing to mention, the seamless integration with the wallet. So all the payment transactions are done with one click through the wallet and captured in the wallet application itself. So there's no need to navigate multiple applications. All of it seamlessly integrated together. So the third component is a very important one, actually. It's a decentralized governance portal. Like you may have understood, Privateum Global is a cooperative. It's fully owned by its members, and it is run by its members. So there is a decentralized governance portal integrated in the wallet where the key operating questions can be resolved and voted on. And moving on to the fourth component of the system is the native PRI token that unifies all of the components together and fuels the ecosystem. It serves as a governance token, it serves for transaction fees and membership fees, and it serves for accumulating rewards in the platform. So with those features that Privateum has and that I just highlighted to you, how Privateum addresses the existing challenges. So the ongoing security concerns is covered and addressed with the very robust KYC, KYB procedures and AML checks within our platform. There is a hybrid structure of hot and cold wallets for the security of assets protection. There is an enterprise-level cybersecurity to ensure that we're bulletproof against hacker attacks. On the steep learning curve, Privateum's mission is to educate its members. Speaking of the user interface, I will be repeating this a lot, that ease of use has been the North Star of Privateum Global. We want the application that our members are dealing with to be user-friendly, intuitive, and not requiring any learning opportunities. And of course, on the negative association side, we have the regulated PRI token. The hybrid product banking application, which does not oblige you to store crypto assets. You're more than welcome to, but you can just deal with traditional currencies in the wallet too. So how does this position Privateum on the market? So let's take a quick look at a few market segments. So there is digital remittances market and the digital payments market. Both are very solid. You can see by the numbers and experiencing and are projecting to have a very good growth rate. On the competitor landscape, the digital payments providers and digital remittances providers are well known to you. There are names like PayPal, names like Revolut, a few local players that are quite familiar to you as well. Only two of them integrate crypto assets into their offerings. And when you take Revolut, for instance, in the US, crypto services are completely blocked. There are regional constraints. Privateum not only enables you to work and manage your traditional currencies, traditional assets, but also works seamlessly with Web3 assets, crypto assets. Plus, it has the integrated tokenomics. It features the integrated marketplace and its governance token. Now let's take a closer look at the products. So the first one, as I already mentioned, is the Privateum wallet, the core of the ecosystem. Like I said, it features intuitive navigation, intuitive user interface. There is an ease of deposit of traditional currencies, fiat currencies, valuable assets. We attempt to do everything with one to a few clicks so that users stay comfortable working with Privateum platform. Let me jump to a quick
Welcome to Privateum Wallet, where your financial management meets seamless technology. Our intuitive user interface is the North Star of the wallet, guiding you effortlessly through every feature. Available in both desktop and mobile versions, Privateum Wallet ensures accessibility wherever you are. Security is our priority. Privateum's two-factor authentication enforces secured access to your assets. Upon login, you can conveniently navigate through the main menu. On your homepage, easily access your account address for external deposits and transfers. Manage your contacts efficiently. Create contacts, add them to groups for effortless asset exchanges. Advanced payment capabilities are at your fingertips for repeated individual and group transactions. In accounts, perform all your basic asset management needs, deposit fiat and crypto assets, withdraw funds, make payments and transfers, and swap your assets. Manage your fiat, spot, and valuables accounts with intuitive actions designed for a seamless and frustration-free user experience. Review your transactions history to keep track of recent activity. For our more experienced and demanding users, we offer extra services like staking, asset loans, and fundraising. Engage in the Privateum Global community and governance by casting your vote on operational questions, conveniently within the wallet. Need help? Contact our 24/7 support directly in the wallet. Experience the future of finance with
So you
Privateum
just saw
Wallet.
that a quick overview of the wallet, and it does feel more like a traditional banking application than a crypto wallet with all of the features. But let's return to the market. So we just said that we are looking at the segments of digital remittances and the digital payments market. So how does payment is done through Privateum Wallet? Well, obviously, very easily, it doesn't feel different from sending payments in your familiar applications. You can equally send crypto assets, fiat currencies, valuable assets to any member of Privateum platform. There are small, low transaction fees. The transactions are fast and have no limits. There will be additional extra layer of security services to protect your transactions, like escrow services and insurance of transactions. Another core use case of Privateum Wallet is obviously fiat crypto on-ramp. So you can, within the Privateum Wallet, you can seamlessly onboard crypto assets, onboard fiat assets, swap them inside the platform through our exchange bridge, and then withdraw them to the preferred method of your choice, of your convenience. It can be a bank account, it can be credit card, it can be payment system like PayPal, Revolut. So asset incoming and outcoming of the assets is done within an ease in Privateum platform. Let me run another video for you showing this process.
Welcome to the future of finance, where the boundaries between digital and traditional currencies blur. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned trader, the journey starts with a seamless transition from fiat to crypto. Meet Emma. She's about to discover just how easy it is to enter the world of cryptocurrencies using our crypto fiat on-ramp service. Our platform offers a user-friendly interface that guides you step by step through the process. Let's follow along with Emma as she makes her first crypto purchase. First, Emma deposits fiat money into her account. She selects her local currency and enters the amount she wants to deposit. Our platform supports multiple fiat currencies, making it accessible no matter where you are. Next, Emma chooses her preferred payment method. From credit cards and bank transfers to digital wallets, we offer flexible options to suit your needs. Once the deposit is complete, Emma selects the cryptocurrency she wants to buy. With a wide range of options available, she chooses PRI. Emma then swaps the deposited fiat money for PRI. With just a few taps, the transaction is processed, and a confirmation notification appears. The PRI is instantly available in Emma's wallet. Security is our top priority. We use advanced encryption and security measures to ensure that your transactions are safe and your data is protected. Finally, Emma decides to withdraw some of her PRI. She selects the amount to withdraw and confirms the transaction. The PRI is then transferred to her external wallet securely. It's that simple. Emma is now part of the crypto world with the power to manage her digital assets right at her fingertips. Whether you're investing, trading, or making everyday transactions, our crypto fiat on-ramp makes it easy for everyone.
So basically, we just saw the use case of digital payments and fair crypto on-ramp, but Privateum Wallet is not just about those core features. There's so much more capabilities built into the platform, and the platform is designed to scale even more. So for those who are more crypto savvy, there are staking opportunities. For those who seek some financial assistance and support from Privateum members, there is some lending and loaning services available in the platform. You can as well securely store your crypto assets inside the Privateum wallet, or if you are entrepreneurial nature, you can start your own project and create a fundraising account inside Privateum platform. So that was Privateum Wallet. Now let's move to the second core aspect of the ecosystem, which is marketplace. So it's quite obvious that e-commerce is blooming today and we like making our purchases online, but it's really hard to pay for your regular goods and services with crypto. Very few, like a fraction of businesses worldwide today accept crypto as a payment. I tried to Google it. I think it's very much less than 1% of global businesses worldwide. There is a trend, like bigger retailers in the US, like Starbucks, Subway, Microsoft, and a few others, they start taking Bitcoin as crypto payment as their payment method, but there is still a long way to go. Well, and it's no wonder why. So we looked at those problems with crypto adoption together, and this is the reason why people are resilient and trying to accept crypto payments, being merchants, or for consumers, it also is not very comfortable to be operating with crypto assets when doing their everyday shopping. With Privateum Marketplace, it is a one-click payment for any goods and services that are listed on the Privateum platform. So like I said, anybody can become a member and list their services and goods. You can be a smaller retailer. You can be a bigger brand. We provide services for everybody, and it's easy to become part of the marketplace and start selling your goods, as well as it's equally easy to look for the products, browse for products. Our marketplace doesn't feel any different from major marketplaces out there, but the distinct feature is the payment process. Like you seamlessly pay with any asset available in your wallet, which can be crypto asset or fiat asset, and complete the transaction with one click, and it's recorded back safely on your Privateum wallet. So our marketplace features a channel architecture. So basically, the transactions are happening inside the platform and then periodically settled back on chain. We do provide additional escrow services for advanced security of the transactions, where funds are securely stored until all of the conditions of the transactions are met. And there are other features of the marketplace. So it's a brief highlight of the platform itself and how the payment process works. Now let's move to the third aspect of the ecosystem, which is PRI token. It's our native token. Like I mentioned before, it's accounted for, used for transaction fees, membership fees. It's used for governance and voting procedures, and it's part of the reward system. And it's also have and is supported by a very strong demand and supply model. So on the demand side, there are voting and governance needs and transactions needs. So the transactions that the platform will be minimal, they will be low, but it will have to store and have to keep a minimal amount of PRI tokens to keep the ecosystem running. So this will be creating the demand. On the supply side, we have a very limited, a fixed amount of PRI tokens issued, 80 million tokens, and we will not be issuing any more. On top of it, they will be securely locked with vesting periods provided. So we have come up with the vesting schedule for our investors and team, gradually unlocking and releasing the tokens so that there is no huge amount of tokens available in the market. On the allocation side, the biggest portion of the token is allocated for the ecosystem. 35% will be serving for the liquidity needs, and 25% will be serving the community needs. And the rest is allocated for the team and the investors to help us grow and build the ecosystem.
Welcome to the future of e-commerce with Privateum. Conveniently log into the marketplace via Privateum authentication. The marketplace is exclusively accessible to Privateum members. Easily become a seller, list your products, and manage your inventory with just a few clicks. Use this marketplace just like any other e-commerce platform. For larger retailers, convenient API integration for inventory management will be available. Sync your products and enjoy the benefits of a global marketplace. The marketplace supports all popular shipment providers. Add your carrier and let your customers enjoy effortless product delivery. The marketplace conveniently integrates with Privateum Wallet. Seamlessly pay for your products with any available assets. Every transaction is recorded in your wallet for easy tracking. Chat with sellers or buyers directly within the marketplace. For any disputes, create a ticket and our support team will assist you promptly. Join Privateum and experience a seamless, integrated marketplace today.
Then after a short application process through our wallet and after a short review process and compliance with KYC requirements, with AML requirements, the members will be admitted, the users will be admitted to the Privateum Global and can enjoy the benefits of the cooperative. Why cooperative at all? So why did we come up with this legal structure and not any other? It may seem weird or strange, but in Privateum we strongly believe in the power of people, in the power of community, and we actually do think that cooperatives and blockchain, they share core fundamental principles, the principles of decentralization, transparency, inclusivity, and trust. So cooperatives, again, they're fully member-owned and they're fully member-operated, and they support local communities, they support their members. They are not running for the profit generation for outside parties, but they are making profits for their own members. So it's a community-driven platform, and in history there are huge examples of cooperative. I think they come back to the ancient time, and the first cooperative was mentioned in Greece. So again, there are well-known benefits. Like I said, member control, profit sharing, cost savings, access to capital, and resilience. I already mentioned a few times that the profit will going to be generated through a few sources in Privateum platform. Transaction fees, there are small membership fees, and there will be a few paid services to provide additional extra convenience features for those who want them. The profits will be distributed among cooperative members according to their participation in the cooperative. So coming to the conclusion, we have just talked about the Privateum Global ecosystem. We briefly talked about the core main aspects of the platform, the wallet, the marketplace, the PRI token, and the members, the community, the cooperative, and the benefits of the community. Where we are today, so we've done an immense amount of work by now, but there's still a lot of things remain on the roadmap to accomplish by the end of this year. So we're about a month away from launching our full productionized version of the wallet. We're still completing the reward system, and we're still finalizing the regulatory compliance frameworks in the European major markets and jurisdictions so that we can comfortably onboard retailers from European market or globally to cooperative, to Privateum Global Cooperative, and be fully transparent in the operations. Towards the end of 2024, we will be fully integrating with Czech bank system so that our members can enjoy the integrated services of bank accounts, of credit cards, and payment systems so that, again, they can easily move the assets in and out of Privateum Global. There are a lot of exciting things on the roadmap, and we look forward to acting on those milestones. So I think this is almost the end of this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. I have one more video to play for you. I hope it was a little bit entertaining. It definitely made my job easier. So here we go.
Introducing Privateum Global, your gateway to a thriving digital economy. The Czech Republic, with its progressive stance on digital assets, is at the forefront of the Fintech movement. As one of the top early adopters of contactless cards, this forward-thinking nation is a hub for innovation. Today, the Czech Republic is home to 2 unicorns and over 100 Fintech companies, thanks to streamlined regulations and a supportive environment for innovation. It's no wonder that entrepreneurs and investors are flocking to seize the opportunities here. Are you ready to be a part of this dynamic fintech landscape? With Privateum, manage banking and cryptocurrency effortlessly, all in one place, without third-party hassles. Use the PRI token for exclusive benefits. Explore contemporary business solutions in the Privateum marketplace, and safeguard your assets with the Privateum wallet and authenticator. Join Privateum today and embark on a journey to unlock the full potential of the fintech revolution in the Czech Republic.
It's a pleasure to be here, and it's a very exciting moment to be here in Czech Republic. Welcome to Privateum, where the future of money begins. Thank you.